What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the wheels on a glass sliding patio door. Very common problem, very easy fix. Let's get straight into it. So what we're going to do with the door, first and foremost, unlock it, get it in the open position. You want to hold on both sides of the door, and what we're going to do is we're going to simply lift up the door. Now these doors aren't very heavy. We're going to lift it up into the channel. There's a little bit of space up on the top. So we're going to lift it up and then we're going to just drag that bottom side of the door out. So lift this one here up, bring out the bottom side. You can drop it down. Now we've got the clearance out from the top. So I'll do it again just to show you guys. So once again, lift up, bring the bottom side out, put that down, and now we've got the clearance up on top. Once you've got that, what you want to do is just put down the door on its side. And now we've got access to the wheels. So if we have a look at the wheels down here, we've got two sets of wheels on the bottom of the door. Now they might look a little bit different on your door, but the process is going to be exactly the same for removing the wheels or removing the entire carriage. So we'll notice there's a screw right here. This one here is the adjustment screw that I showed you guys in the last video. So if we take this screw here, turn it over one way, we're going to retract that wheel, turn it back the other way. You can see there, we're making the wheel protrude a bit, and that'll control the height of your wheels. So what we're going to do in this case is we're going to loosen this screw up completely. There's a little nut down here. That nut's going to drop off, so we want to make sure that we don't lose that nut. And then we're going to be able to remove the entire carriage. So putting the drill or a screwdriver into that screw, back it off, put it in reverse, turn it to the left, remove that out slowly. Sometimes these nuts here are welded on and sometimes they're loose, so just be careful that you don't lose it. Lucky this one here is a welded one. So now we've got that screw completely out. So what we're going to do is take a flathead screwdriver, put it in the back of the carriage, and we're going to just pry these wheels here out. Now you'll notice sometimes they come out in one little individual piece like this one here. You can take this one here to your local hardware store, replace that one. In this case here, this one here, we can replace just the wheel on its own. So if I open up this little section here, we can actually remove the wheel and buy a new wheel on its own, put that back in. Some doors you might find that they're actually fixed wheels and you'll have to replace the whole carriage. So regardless which process you do, take this one down to your local hardware store, pick up the same wheel, and then you can come back and reinstall it. So once you've got your new wheel or your new carriage, you can then reinstall it. Back up from the top, we can slide that into position, line it up with the screw. You'll notice there's a little slot on the side. The wheel goes into that bit there, and then we can adjust it down with the screwdriver until it lines up with the screw. So once again, line that all up. Hopefully this one here's got enough of a distance on it, not just yet. Lift it up a little bit more. And now we can tighten that screw back up. Remembering where your wheel was adjusted previously. Once that's done, we can then reinstall our door. So the top side goes in first, lift it up into the channel, make sure you've got enough clearance down the bottom, swing that door over, and now we've got our sliding door back on the track, guys. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.